Hi, my dear students. Welcome to our MSET Mathematics class. Okay. Today we are discussing a trigonometric question. It was asked in MSET 2020. Okay, let's go to the problem. Cos 48 into cos 12. Find the value of cos 48 into cos 12. Let's go for the solution. First, write the given information. Cos 48 into cos 12. So it seems to be like cos A into cos B. So it can be rewrite as 2 into cos 48 into cos 12. At the same time 1 by 2 into 2. Sir, why you are writing like this? Because we have a formula. 2 cos A cos B have a formula. 2 cos A cos B have a formula. What is the formula? So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So add cos A plus B and cos A minus B. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B cancelled out. Okay. So we have to convert into that format. Okay. So next step is 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B can be written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So cos A is 48, B is 12. So cos 48 plus 12, okay, plus cos 48 minus 12, okay. 1 by 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Cos 48 minus 12 is cos 36. Cos 36 value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Multiply with 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, here LCM is 8. In 8 4 2 times 2 plus 8 here 1 time 1 into root 5 plus 1. So finally we got 3 root plus 5 by 8 is our final answer. Okay. Thanks for watching.